Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect PayPal to Depop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Depop, click the sign up option. Now from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, connecting PayPal to Depop offers several advantages for both buyers and sellers because, for one, PayPal provides a secure payment gateway, reducing the risk of fraud for both parties involved in the transaction because buyers can benefit from the PayPal's purchase protection, which may cover eligible transactions if there are issues such as non-delivery or items not as described, right? Now, connecting PayPal to Depop is a straightforward process because from here, all I have to do is hover to the upper right corner, your profile icon, and go to settings. Now, when you go to the settings, as you can see, there's no option for you to connect your PayPal to Depop. Instead, you need to go to the Depop app on your mobile device. But before you go to your mobile app, I need you to go to your selling hub. What will happen is there's an option below that says continue and not ready to list. As you can see, all you have to do is to connect your PayPal account once you are ready to sell or list an item here. But the thing is, you really have to list an item before you can connect your PayPal. Instead, let's hover now to our mobile device and open the Depop app. Now, once you are inside Depop, all you have to do is log in using your credentials. And then after that, now once you are on the Depop app, I need you to hover to the gear icon on the upper right corner. And from here, you should be able to have an option that says preferences under my account. All right. Now, if you can't see any preferences here in this section, there's a lot of reason why it's happening. Number one is your account hasn't been verified yet, so you need to do that. Second is you're encountering a glitch or a bug on your settings here or in your app here in Depop, so you need to install the latest version. But you can also go to the support center and click on need help. And from here, that's going to be technical issues because something's not working, especially the preferences wherein you can connect your PayPal to your Depop account here on the mobile device. All right. And all I have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.